Hey everyone, if you're serious about project management, you've probably heard of the PMP certification. Today, we're cutting through the complexity to give you a real, human guide on how to get certified. So what exactly is the PMP? It stands for Project Management Professional, and it's basically the gold standard globally recognized certification in our field. In today's fast-paced business world, the PMP isn't just a piece of paper. It shows employers you have proven expertise in leading projects and teams. The human side of PMP, it opens doors. It often leads to higher salaries and more opportunities, proving you're committed to excellence in project leadership. Before you can even think about the exam, you need to make sure you meet the eligibility requirements set by the Project Management Institute, or PMI. There are two main pillars: your education level, a 4-year degree or a high school diploma, and verified hours of leading and directing projects. The amount of experience needed varies based on your education. Crucially, everyone needs 35 contact hours of formal project management education. This usually means taking a recognized PMP training course, which you can find through PMI's authorized partners. Once you've checked all the boxes, it's time for the application. This is where many people get nervous, especially about the audit risk. When filling out the application, be meticulous in describing your project experience. Use clear, strong project management language to detail what you did. Good documentation here is key to avoiding an audit. After hitting submit, PMI reviews your application, which can take a few business days. Once approved, you'll pay the exam fee and receive your authorization to schedule your test date. Preparation is where the real work begins. The PMP exam is tough, so you need a strategic approach to studying. Your main textbooks are the PMBOK Guide, which covers traditional project management, and the Agile Practice Guide. You need to understand both, as the exam is now a mix of predictive, agile, and hybrid approaches. Forget rote memorization. Focus on understanding the why behind the processes. Use practice exams extensively to build stamina and learn how to interpret the scenario-based questions. The exam is divided into 3 domains: people, which is all about soft skills and leadership; process, covering the technical aspects of project management; and business environment, which focuses on organizational strategy. You've studied hard, you've prepped, and now it's exam day. Let's talk about what to expect and what happens once you pass. The PMP is a 4-hour, 180-question exam, often administered at dedicated testing centers. It's a marathon, so managing your time and taking the breaks is critical for success. Getting certified is just the start. To keep your PMP active, you need to earn 60 professional development units every 3 years. These ensure you stay current with the ever-evolving field of project management. We've covered the basics, from eligibility to maintenance. Hopefully, this makes the PMP journey feel a little less intimidating. Remember, the PMP is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time, study smart, and leverage the resources available to you. You can do this. If you're feeling ready, start your PMP application today. The world needs great project managers, and that could be you. Good luck.